Hi all, this is Corey. This week we are talking about how climate change is affecting our city, specifically Houston. So I found that Houston is likely to face quite a few different challenges from climate change. The most pressing one is going to be a heat risk. It's likely that Houston will experience, on average, 90 days of over 96 degrees or Fahrenheit or higher throughout the year, which is going to be a big increase as to what they experience now. They are also likely to receive um, more precipitation throughout the year, more heavy precipitation like storms. This is going to lead to a higher flood risk. 81% of the buildings in Houston are at a flood risk at the moment. Um, and then although the storms are going to be more intense, they're going to be less frequent. So Houston is at a high risk to be in a drought, which will also increase the fire risk for Houston. 55% of buildings in Houston are currently at a fire risk with that information. So, as far as the future, if Houston doesn't do anything, it is very likely that it is going to face a very difficult future. Um, so it's important that Houston starts to build more resilient and focuses more on becoming more sustainable so that these events don't happen. And then, like I said in my first city group discussion post, Houston does have a very thorough general plan for 2050 to try and reduce these outcomes as much as possible. That is going to require them to follow through with that, which can be difficult because there are a lot of major oil and natural gas companies that headquarter in Houston, which can be a bit of a conflict of interest.